Hey guys, it's Stephanie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing an easy Christmas decor project. I have to admit, decor is not my strong suit. I don't like a lot of clutter in my house. I'm pretty picky when it comes to decor. I like neutral, simple, classic items that last a long time. So I've made it my mission for this holiday season to start DIYing some decor that are simple and neutral and I will enjoy for years to come. To give you a little background, my husband and I would always spend our holidays up north in Wisconsin with our families, so we never really felt like we needed to go all out and decorate our own house. Also, this will be our second winter in Florida, and it's been tough adjusting to the holidays here because there's no snow or chilly weather. Instead, there are palm trees and 70-degree sunny weather, so it just doesn't seem quite right. But I love Christmas and I love the holidays, so I think it's time to start making this place a little more festive and to start making some fun holiday memories here in our own house. Right now we have about 4 pieces of Christmas decor in our house, which is so sad. One of them being this beautiful Christmas tree collage of my husband from when he was younger. I love the pictures, but I don't love the obnoxious red and green Christmas tree. This piece did give me a little inspiration though for my DIY project. Today I'm going to be sharing how I made this wooden forest of Christmas trees that can be stained and painted and decorated any way to fit your home. Christmas trees are cut out. I love how they turned out. I wanted them to be a little bit taller and thinner to give more of like a whimsical, classy look. But there's so many different ways you can customize it. You can make big fat trees or whatever you want. So I also cut out these little square bases for all of my trees to sit on. So I'm gonna nail the base right into the tree and it'll be perfect so it doesn't tip over or wobble or anything. Another thing that you could do for the base is use some circle wooden dowels. I think it'd be a perfect little tree trunk. I'm going to be putting garland on the bottom around all of the trees so you won't see the base, so that's why I just opted for a little square base. I'm going to nail in all of the bases with my brad nailer and then I'll be ready for stain and paint. So I have my 18 gauge brad nailer and 1-inch brad nails to secure my base to my trees. So I have a bunch of leftover paint and stain from other projects around the house, and I plan to paint a few, stain a few, but either way my Christmas trees will match some of the existing furniture and decor that we have in the house. So I think that'll give these trees a really nice, neutral, classy look. So these are painted Swiss Coffee by Behr, just one coat. These are stained Jacobean, I don't know how to pronounce it. This color stain. These are stained a natural stain, and then these are Black Mocha by Behr.